It's up to you, dear Cancer, how much energy you're willing to put into the vision or the dream that you have. And by energy, I'm not necessarily suggesting that you have to put so much effort in that then there's nothing left for other areas of your life. And sometimes you get caught up in this way of living, or this way of being, and this way of operating, where you put all of your energy and attention into only one thing, and eventually as you do that, you take energy away from other relevant and important areas of your life. Because the idea is, once this one thing is done and I've arrived at this one place, I'm going to pour all of me into it, then I can be happy and take care of everything else. And I don't know that that's necessarily how it works. And I also don't know that that's a good thing for your nervous system either. So for the Cancerians, you need to take a bit of a step back and look at your life as a whole, rather than just this one area that you're putting all your energy into.